Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in to the Chirp and Feed channel. Beautiful weather today. Florida, stepped outside to 60 degrees. Pretty different, but I like it. There goes my pops right there. So pretty much this is trying to see what we can do out of a carport. We just bought a carport, but we're gonna turn a carport into an aviary. That's the plan. Hey man, what you doing? What's up guys? So if you guys didn't know, let me introduce you guys. This is my brother. If you guys didn't know, this is just a little Chirp and Feed family, like I always told you guys. Home-based breeders, and basically we're doing a little relocation and putting up this ivory, as you see here. Well, it's not an ivory now, but eventually. So what's going on?
It's gonna be the shelter for them.
So walk us through it. What is this?
It's gonna be the carport, so we can put all the birds inside. As you can see, it's a little bit chilly here.
It gets chilly right now. It's 60, but it hits nighttime. It gets up to like 30.
Better for the weather, for the rain. Get protected.
So what's the length? What's the length of this right here? The length, the width, so everybody can know.
Right now it's like 27 feet.
20. The width is 20. And then 27 in length, which the manufacturer says 29 because they count the outer, the roof panels. They count the edging to be 29, but in reality it's 27. And what's that mess over there? I know everyone's gonna ask, well, what is that over there?
This is the behind the scenes. Still not yet set up. That's gonna be the end.
So what is that? Parakeets, cages, and all that?
It's gonna be our areas for corners, Indian rednecks, our hawns. It's gonna be all little birds in that little section.
So this is the big boy right here. So we're taking this footage now so we can, go back in time and see the progress we made. And maybe if you guys are just tuning in, you guys can enjoy the progress as well. This is a carport we're turning into ivory. Obviously, you see we had to add those beams for more support and in the roof area. So we said it was 20 by 29, but in reality it's 20 by 27. See on this angle so you guys can see better. It's pretty big, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So what's the next step we're gonna do after this?
Next step is gonna be enclosure of the roof and the side panels.
Which we don't know. We don't know where we're gonna get them. It's my old pops there. This is the roof right here.
Don't mind no mess. Don't mind no mess. It's not part of the shed.
So this is not there. This is all a mess here. Pa, saluda a la gente. That's the old man from Chirp and Feed right there, guys. Take a look at you don't see the killer face? He's the assassin. So that's pretty much it. Nothing more, nothing less. But it is a beautiful day outside. Let's see. Let's see what we can see. Maybe I was thinking about maybe today I install some feeders, some bird feeders there too. We'll see, but it's a nice cold day outside today in Florida.